Go.
There, this thing on threads. And you want to get it down to that's like flush like that.
Okay.
And then turn the water back on. And you have to keep turning this until it sounds different. You'll notice in a second. Hear how something of it?
Yes.
That's when it's all the way down far enough.
And you said once you've got, he said, when do you flush it the second time?
Once you shut it off, you gotta flush it to get the pressure out.
Right. Once you turn it off from
Yeah.
the water supply.
And this goes back under like this. Sometimes it's easier to take a screw all the way out, but I'm stubborn. It's like that. Okay, so that screw goes in there. Then these just go back. They're both the same direction.